Hey guys, welcome back. I hope everybody had a good holiday. This is my first video of the new year, and it is a new tool Monday. Today's tool is this 52-inch table from Husky. Now the table did come pre-assembled on 4 casters. Each caster has its own brake, but included were these legs that you can use to replace the casters. Now this is a 52-inch wide. Now this table is 24 inches wide. Now this wooden top table is 52 inches wide, 24 inches deep. It's about 1.25 inches thick. A really cool feature of this table is that it's adjustable height. Now this will allow for a 41 3/4 inch tall working surface in its up position to 28 3/4 in the low position. With all 4 wheels locked, it appears to be pretty immobile. I mean, it wiggles a little bit, but that's to be expected. Even all the way up, it's pretty stable. You know, it's not heavy duty, but it's definitely going to work for what I'm looking to do with it. Well guys, I appreciate you watching today. I've got 3 projects that I'm currently working on. There's going to be welding, woodwork, sawmilling, both logs and reclaimed wood. So stick around, and there's more to come.